Hi, welcome to another new video, and today our topic is how to download images from Pinterest. So I am going to give you a quick tutorial on it. So first of all, you need to create an account on Pinterest. So you need to visit on pinterest.com. Here you can see the link. I will paste it in the comment below or the description, so you can check it from that place. So now you will get this kind of a feed on your computer. Once you found out this kind of a feed, just click over here. Which one image you find out is interesting for you or you want for using it, just click over here. I am going to click on this one, and you will get this kind of an interface once you click over the image. So you can see we are getting so much images, which is really great, or the preview is really awesome. So just you need to click on here in the three dot. So just click over here and you will get the option for download image. Just click over here again. Once you download it, you can see the wallpaper.jpg has been downloaded to our computer. Now we can use it. So you can see we get an email. Let's check it perfectly in from the computer. Just click over here and let's try it open. So now yeah, it's working. Our image has been downloaded and the ratio is really significant. You can see the image ratio. So I hope you already understand how you are going to work on it, how you can download these images from Pinterest. This is quickest and simplest way to download images from Pinterest. I hope this video is well-being for you. If you found out it is really helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. Don't forget to like and share with your friends, and don't forget to comment below on the comment box if you have any questions related to this kind of video, or if you want any new videos, you can comment me on the box. I will reply it as fast as possible. Till then, have a good day.